Welcome back. So now we're going to be looking at how we can download the Python interpreter and a text editor. Now, throughout the duration of this series, the text editor we are going to be making use of is the Visual Studio Code. So let's first of all download Python. So we have the link here, https://python.org/downloads. So when I click on this link, so here you see it open on our Chrome. Alright, so the latest version we have is version 3.10, okay, 3.10. So you see that you have options to download for Windows, Unix, or whichever OS, okay. So I'll just simply say download Python 3.10 and it's downloading. Now I'm going to stop the download because I already have it. So when you download it, all you need to do is to simply install it. Just follow the steps and straightforward installation. The next thing we are going to download is the Visual Studio Code. Okay, the Visual Studio Code. Alright, so copy this link and we are going to paste it here. Okay, so we have Visual Studio Code for Windows, for Linux, and for Mac. Okay, so whichever device you are using, Windows, Linux, Mac, here you just choose whichever option, whether you are using a 64-bit, 32-bit, or an ARM processor. Okay, so this is how we can download the text editor and